Introducing the Jamie Makeup Eye Stick. What is an eye stick? A revolutionary eye primer / eyeshadow stick. You do not need a brush. It's built in the sponge tip applicator. It's easy to use. It's gonna last all day. It's waterproof, crease proof, and all the beauty. When you open it, you're gonna twist a little and get the top saturated. Not too much because we want this to last a long time. Many people have problems placing the eyeshadow on their eye, especially if you have hooded eyes. This makes it so easy. All you do is swipe it into your eye and up your brow bone. Follow the natural curvature of your eye. Follow the brow bone and just go back and forth. That's it. This is the taupe one. The other one I'm launching with is the cinnamon one, and it has a little bit more va-va-va-voom, and voila. I have really oily eyelids and they're hooded, so it was so important to me that this lasts and didn't crease and disappear. So this formula is literally the best formula you're ever gonna get. It's really hard to find the right colors and know where to place them, to find the right brushes and know how to use them. And then, of course, you need a primer. Do you need a primer? I wanted to make something that takes the guesswork out and saves you time. As always, we get a new artist to collaborate with us on our product design. Part of the Jamie Makeup artist fam. This is Mouse Bows. I love these characters. He is such a genius. Which color are you gonna get? Are you gonna get both? I'm so excited about this product. I think you're gonna love it. Enjoy. And I shtick, you shtick. We all shtick for eye shtick.